res, poc, molt, massa, un gra massa. Cadascú pren les mides a la seva manera. Hi ha qui necessita viure al límit. Prema l'accelerador, sortir del carril. Hi ha qui necessita passar-se de la ratlla. Viure a l'extrem per sentir-se viu.
Escocia. Esta nación dio al mundo la televisión, la máquina de vapor, el golf, el whisky, la penicilina y, por supuesto, la barrita de chocolate Mars.
I això no és tot. Escòcia també ha donat la prosa frenètica i desllenguada d'Irving Welsh.
Too fucking right.
Es va donar a conèixer als anys 90 amb Trainspotting, una novel·la que després va ser pel·lícula i el va convertir en una estrella. I des d'aleshores, Irving Welsh no ha parat d'escriure. Els seus llibres estan carregats de sexe, drogues, rock and roll, violència i futbol. La matèria primera que els seus protagonistes fan servir per col·locar-se i perdre de vista, ni que sigui per una estona, un món que canvia molt de pressa i els passa pel damunt.
My books are all about people trying to find their place in a world that's kind of been pulled, the carpet has been pulled out from underneath them, basically. I think if I'd been writing in the 60s and 70s, I would have been writing about people trying to break free of confining kind of structures. And now I'm writing about them trying to find something to hold on to.
El món de Wells és ple d'homes poc recomanables i alguns de tan menyspreables com el policia Bruce Robertson, protagonista de la novel·la Filth, que l'any 2013 es va convertir en pel·lícula.
¡Empieza a rajar, joder! O te juro por Dios que irás a la cárcel de Corton Bailey a rellenar peluches en menos de lo que tardas en atar un puto ramo de tulipanes. ¡O tal vez prefieras poner la flor de tu boca alrededor de mi capullo! ¿Te gustaría hacerlo?
You don't want to kind of be celebrating kind of, you know, like kind of sexism or racism, and you know, when people are kind of expressing themselves in a way that's kind of demeaning to other people or demeaning to other groups. But you have to, in the final analysis, you have to be aware that that often people do express themselves in that way, and you can't edit it or airbrush it out. It's not your job to be some kind of social engineer. You have to present the reality as you see it. But I think one thing you can do, and I think you are responsible for doing, is that you can show the consequences of that behaviour on the individuals and on other people around them.
L'última novel·la de Wells, publicada al nostre país, és Un polvo en condiciones, una comèdia que toca assumptes molt foscos protagonitzada per un taxista d'Edimburg obsessionat pel sexe.
I like staying on Oxford Street, because you've got all here in the south side. Quiet street, close to the tune for office minge, near the university for young student fanny, and a nice wee spot to take the lasses for the scheme. Terry is just kind of completely obsessed with sex. I think it's something that in some ways it probably did make him very, very happy originally when he got into it. It's made him happy over the years. But I think like a lot of people, I think that I think in general, I think we kind of use sex sometimes as a kind of reset button. I think it's important that we don't use it as another drug. Basically, I think we are in some ways. You know, I think the way our world is, it makes us use everything as a drug in some kind of way.
Doncs parlem de drogues, o de coses que funcionen com a drogues. L'addicció actual d'Irving Welsh és l'esport. Quan era un nen el van obligar a fer boxa, però ara la practica per plaer. Diu que és un contrapunt ideal a la rutina de l'escriptor i que, a més, al voltant d'un ring sempre hi ha personatges fascinants.
They're chasing something, you know, they're looking for some kind of buzz or some kind of takeoff, some kind of high for what they're doing, you know, and you know, they're wanting to be out of the mundane, the everyday, the drab. And people like that are always interesting to me.
Camisetas, corre!
Un altre dels llocs preferits d'Irving Welsh per observar el comportament humà és el camp de futbol. Segurament, Welsh és el seguidor més famós dels Hibs, l'equip petit d'Edimburg. La rivalitat amb l'altre equip de la ciutat, els Hearts, i el sentiment de pertinença a una comunitat són ingredients habituals de l'escriptura de Welsh.
It's fun, you know what I mean? It's like kind of, the idea of like kind of, disliking somebody that's exactly the same place and same background as you just because they support a different team. It's kind of bizarre, but it's also quite fun as well, you know. I think it is a tremendous buzz. I mean, it's like kind of, it's like sort of, it's like when people go to big raves and all that and have that connection. I think all these things are very important. You take them out of life and what have you got? You don't really have life, you just have people kind of plodding by at a very kind of, very depressed, kind of sulky, kind of critical level and not really engaging with the beauty of life.
Elige bolsos, elige zapatos de tacón, cashmere y seda para sentir lo que se hace pasar por felicidad. Elige un iPhone fabricado en China por una tía que saltó por una ventana y métetelo en el bolsillo de tu chaqueta recién traída de una ratonera asiática.
Digues, vull viure, vull treballar, vull fer carrera.
A la seva manera, els llibres de Wells sempre han parlat de la crisi del capitalisme i de com la desindustrialització ha deixat sense futur les classes populars. Però reconeix que a partir de la crisi financera del 2008 s'ha enganxat a l'economia i la política.
We're nostalgic for Victorian politics under neoliberalism, and now we're nostalgic for fascism, basically. So it's like kind of, it's so strange that we're kind of doing the same things and expecting different outcomes when we're just, precipitating the crisis rather than kind of making it, trying to make things better.
El que vull és heroïna.
No tinc res més. És això, res.
Però parlàvem de drogues. Quines creu l'autor de Trainspotting que són les drogues del present?
A lot of people are looking to DMT and these kind of drugs, not as because DMT is not it's not a hedonistic drug. It's an educational drug, basically. You're not going to kind of you're not going to party on DMT, but you're going to kind of trying to. It's a drug that helps you look for answers and explore kind of inner workings and all that.
I ens falta el rock and roll. Si la pel·lícula Trainspotting es va convertir en un clàssic, en part és perquè té una de les bandes sonores més memorables del cinema modern. Però quina seria la banda sonora del 2018?
I think it would be Young Fathers because their music is very eclectic, but it's also expressing a kind of that kind of dissonance and disconnect and that kind of striving. Of trying to kind of figure things out that we're all sort of going through, basically. So that's the kind of music that really pretty much speaks to me now.
Doncs ja ho tenim. Sexe, drogues, rock and roll, política, futbol i un munt d'incògnites sobre el futur.
For me, as a writer, it's great because the more conflict you have in the world, as a writer, it's kind of grist to the mill. The more conflict you have in pubs, the more conflict you have in the streets, the more you have online, people shouting at each other, and the better it is because you're kind of, you feed off drama basically, and you kind of, but not so much as a citizen perhaps. As a citizen, you maybe want a bit of a quieter time, but as a writer, it's great, yeah.